Alright guys, so today we are going to be doing this new Dino Reveal. It has the new print out now. It's I think it looks like a Poposaurus. I wish they changed the color though, so it's not confusing, because the last one was a Laphosaurus, but also like an amber color. Then we go in the back, we got the new ones here. We got a Poposaurus, KILESKUS, and the Gastonia. It has 6 colors. I'm sure there's going to be like ultra rare as well. So let's unbox it, we'll check it out. We don't know what's inside here yet. It says BVB. That's, I don't know if you guys can see that, the letter B right there. The 2 letters. So that's your sign right there. That. Okay, let's check it out then. I'm gonna open it very carefully because I'm gonna save the box. Okay. Let's see what's in this thing. Okay, I want to feel it first. Oh gosh, what's in this thing? We're going to add some water. Oh, looks like it is the, oh my gosh, KILESKUS. Okay, so we're going to put in the water. Check it out. Okay, we're going to dip it into this mug. Oh, great. And we'll just wait for it. There, it's starting to dissolve. Try to move, stir that. Look at that. It looks like a root beer now, guys. Now, while we're waiting for this, I'm gonna go grab my other KILESKUS to compare it. Alright, so I found the original KILESKUS here from Epic Evolution. This is the DNA scan. Has no special features in it. It's just a danger pack back then, frenzy pack. No buttons. And this is my touch-up KILESKUS. I painted it. I gave it like a little maroon on its lower jaw. Then I painted the claw. You can tell, gray claws. Same as the claws on its feet and the dew claw. Right there. And what else? The back of its neck. Look at that. Gave it some... yeah, so like a dark red stripe, a white stripe, even at the arms, the legs. And then this is my custom paint right here. I just googled the color and found this. There you go. There. Can still move the jaw. That's, yeah, there we go. The tail. Yeah. And there we go. We're gonna have plenty of KILESKUSes. Now let's check the Dino Reveal KILESKUS. Hopefully it worked. There we go. It's working out. Now that our new KILESKUS is revealed, we're gonna pat dry it. It's so wet right now. Just dry up the belly part. Alright, so where were we? We're gonna check the neck now compared to the original KILESKUS. It has an articulated neck. Goes up and down, but this Dino Reveal doesn't have it anymore. I've been noticing that Mattel keeps doing that every time it's a Dino Reveal. They remove the neck articulation. Same as the DNA scan. There's no more DNA scan. It's pretty much still the same sculpt, same model. Look at the tail, the legs, the feet. They got rid of the white stripe on the bottom of the tail, and the belly as well. Now if we go to the canister, I think this is it right here. So it's just a common right now. Then this is the rare. Then there should be another ultra rare, I would say. So yeah, this is like a common KILESKUS. So there you have it. Our KILESKUSes. We're gonna have 2 more KILESKUS then. A rare and an ultra rare. Yeah. So yeah, guys, there you have it for today. Our brand new KILESKUS from Dino Reveal. You guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, thank you. Y'all have a good one now. Cheerio.